Today we are making Gado Gado. Gado Gado is an Indonesian dish that I ate the first time in Bali. It contains blanched vegetables that are served with a savory peanut sauce, and you can make it vegetarian if you add boiled eggs, or vegan with tofu and tempeh. Today I'm making the vegetarian version with boiled eggs, and I will show you how to make it. So first we are boiling our eggs. I have a pot of water here, and once this is getting to a boil, we will boil our eggs for 8 minutes. While we wait for our water to get to a boil, we will prepare our vegetables for the Gado Gado. First we will prepare our snake beans. First snake beans into about 5 centimeter pieces. Remove this hard part here first. And now it's time to blanch our vegetables, and I like to add a little bit of salt to the water to make the veggies taste better. Cabbage, and we don't want the cabbage to blanch longer than 1 minute. Now we can go in with our bean sprouts for a couple of seconds. Now we can blanch 3 minutes. Now we can fry our tofu and tempeh, and I will add some coconut oil to this pan. Now you can add a little bit more coconut oil to prevent your tempeh from burning. And also a little bit more salt on the other side. Now we are preparing our peanut sauce, and for this we need to roast 200 grams. Here it's important to make sure that your flame is on a very low heat to not burn the peanuts, and toss them regularly. And while our peanuts are roasting, we can prepare the rest of the ingredients for our peanut sauce. Half of a tomato, 2 red bird's eye chili, the seeds removed, candle nuts, but if you don't have them, you can also use macadamia nuts, 2 garlic cloves, and a thumb-sized piece of kencur. And don't forget to toss your peanuts. Look like this. You can turn the heat off. Give them a shake and they are done. And now with your bird's eye chilies, be really careful. They are really spicy. So in here we add our roasted peanut, 2 candle or macadamia nuts, half of a tomato, piece of kencur or galangal or ginger, and then the 2 garlic cloves and the 2 chilies. And then you add 500 milliliters of water. Set your stove on a low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of ketchup mayonnaise, which is a sweet soy sauce, and then squeeze the juice of 1 lime into your sauce. Give this a good mix. Now let your peanut sauce simmer until it thickens up a little bit. And now we can serve our Gado Gado. Our eggs are still slightly soft. And the last step, top it off with some ketchup mayonnaise on top. And here you go.